Hi Seekers! We are Mat and Angie, a queer couple seeking to live life to the fullest. To do so, we have decided to visit our native country, Italy, in 10 months on our colorful van. We are currently in region number 1, Liguria. And in our previous vlog, we had shown you Santa Margherita and Portofino. Today we will be in Genoa and we are gonna eat the so famous Focaccia al Formaggio, but vegan. Hi Seekers! Today we are gonna go explore Genova. We are gonna show you the highs and lows of this city. And tonight we are gonna try a dish that is super traditional here in Liguria. But I haven't yet tried it and she hasn't tried it yet in the vegan version. So I'm really excited about that. First of all, let's refill our water bottles.
This is the Teatro Carlo Felice and it is the principal opera house of Genova. Behind me there is the Doge Palace, in Italian Palazzo Ducale. It is a historical building of Genova.
Here you can see the Genoa Cathedral, also called the Metropolitan Cathedral of St. Lawrence. It is a Roman Catholic cathedral. The style of it is Gothic. The front of it is under renovation, so we are gonna explore the interior of it. The street we are about to cross is called Via Garibaldi, and it's a street in the historical city center of Genova. It is one of the new streets, Strade Nuove, because it was built by the Genovese aristocracy during the Renaissance. It is famous for its many beautiful buildings that it has, and for them it has been inscribed in the UNESCO heritage. So now we are gonna show you the Palazzo Bianco and the Palazzo Rosso, which are said to be the most beautiful ones. We are in front of the Galata, Museo del Mare, which is a maritime museum in Genova. It is the largest museum of its kind in the Mediterranean area. The museum is located on the grounds of Porto Antico, which is the ancient harbor. One of the highlights of this museum is the submarine that we can see over there, and it's actually free to watch. Babe, what is in your hat?
The microphone. something really peculiar in Liguria, and in particular in Genova, is that you can find many fake windows. That's because in the 18th century, the municipality put a tax over windows, and people prefer to have less windows rather than paying to have regular ones.
Non è proprio matto perché forse non sa, posso averne uno per il giorno.
This is the Leonardo pizza with the yellow tomatoes from Ercolano Vesuvio, smoked mozzarella, Tajasca olives, and oregano. Let's try it. The mozzarella is delicious. Please come to this place. This is the Focaccia al Formaggio, which is a typical cheese focaccia from Liguria. Let's try it. I've been waiting to try this focaccia for years. The cheese. Oh my god. Incredible. Cheers.
This is a focaccia with hazelnut vegan cream.
How is it?
Wow. No words. Wow.